Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Darlinsha if you're new to my channel, and my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle and fashion, my favorite. So today's video is going to be really practical. I'm going to review on these two bags. So you've got the LV toiletry pouch, and then you have the Bloom cosmetic pouch. I've made some notes, so I'm just going to look at my notes that I've made. So I'm going to do a side by side so you can make your decision based on it if you're looking to purchase it. This bit. So when you look here, I've put everything together so they should all be equal. Can you see the little line here? You can clearly see that the Gucci one is bigger. Then you look at this part and then you see that within the depth it's bigger. Then I'm going to do a bottom one for you. Then here you go, and then you've got this top part on each of it. I hope that's helpful. So you've got the Louis Vuitton one. It's got this gold washable lining. And lengthwise, the Louis Vuitton is 10.2 inches, and then in height from here to here it's 7.9, and then in depth it's 2 inches. The Louis Vuitton is a gold hardware, which makes it really beautiful, and it's got a flap here that says Louis Vuitton Paris made in France over on this side, and it's just really beautiful. I always say it in all my videos, I've been saying that it's very beautiful, so I really like this bag anyway. Yeah, that's all I've got to say about it. For this one, as previously said in my previous video, the same thing. In length is 10.25 inches, in height is 7.9 inches, and in depth it's 2.4 inches. So it's dark brown, dark chocolate nylon lining, and it has a mini pocket here, which is an extra storage to put your stuff in. So what I'm going to do is put my things in. So I'm going to do a practical video. I'll do one with all my makeup, how you can fit all your makeup and brushes and stuff in there, and then I'll also do one going out because people use it for different reasons. So let's move on. Guys, I'm going to do a comparison between the Louis Vuitton pouch and the Gucci toiletry pouch. So I'm going to start with when I'm going out. So if I'm going to a wedding or somewhere, anywhere out, the things that I will put in my bag and how it looks when I put everything in my bag. I think the basic things that you need, and then I'll also do another comparison when you're traveling, so using it as a cosmetic pouch rather. Starting with the Louis Vuitton one, without a power bank, how are those selfies happening? It's never gonna happen. So my power bank is really heavy because I wanted this one, but when it came I was like, oh my days, but I still use it, there's nothing wrong with it. That I like to keep the power bank in here because it actually structures it. It doesn't make it look loose at the bottom. I'll take a mini makeup bag with me. So obviously I've done my makeup, and all I have in the makeup bag is my hand sanitizer. Of course, we don't want corona. Powder, my skin color translucent powder. So it's a translucent, but it's my skin color. Then I've got, which is the benign one, and banana powder. Don't watch me, I still use the old products, they're really good. My matte highlighter, my Olay, actually got this as a gift, is actually a mirror. It's a little bit dirty. A brush, obviously, a lip liner and a lipstick, plus a highlighter brush. So I'll put everything in here. I think I'll take our hand sanitizer and just keep it here so I have quick access to it. So I'll put this in the bag. That should sit right on here. My phone, comb to comb my hair. If I have weave, obviously it's going to be brushed. At the moment it's my own hair, so I need normal comb really. Keys, my card holder, chewing gum. Notice that I keep doing it side by side because I don't want it to look uneven. Then I'll put my perfume. This is my Tom Ford perfume. And last but not least, most importantly, my cable. That is so important. That's it. It's a little bit out of shape, but I think on the day I'll make it work. I usually make it work so you can like shake things about and then get it to be perfect. So this is it. That's the bottom. Now I'm going to do the same with the Gucci bag. I'm following the same arrangement, but at this time, because the bottom is already structured, I usually like to put my power bank on that side. Then I put my makeup bag. Perfume will go on this side again. Hand sanitizer will go close to the perfume because it's quite small. Brush, phone, card holder. And lastly, my keys. Close it, and here's the shape. You can shake it again, get things to be in order. That is it. That's it, literally. So now I'm going to use it as a makeup bag where you've got not all your makeup, but all the makeup I will travel with. Let's move on to that. So guys, now I'm going to use it as a cosmetic bag. Don't watch my fingers, guys. I haven't done my nails because of corona. I should have done it before, but I just knew that if the lockdown was going to be long, I wouldn't want chipped nails and it would just look nasty. So I'd rather not have nails than to have nails that doesn't look nice, if you get what I mean. Anyways, this is a basic eyeshadow palette that I got from this thing that you pay every month and then they give you stuff. So this is called a beauty crop and I love it. I was gonna give it out, but then I realized that all these colors are the type of colors that I'll use, so that would just literally fit in there. Then I'll put all my brushes, blending brush, eyeshadow brush, eyeshadow, eyebrow brush. I use this to blend my highlighter under my eyes. This is a contour brush. All these brushes are effectively something that I use. I have a scissors for eyelashes, a tweezer, my 2 powders. Fortunately, my skin is really good, so I don't really need foundation, so I've stopped using foundation. My 2 concealers, so LA Girl Pro Conceal and Chestnut, and this is Beautiful Bronze, but I like to use is it Espresso? That one is a fantastic color. Of course, another mirror. You can't do without a mirror. This is my MAC strobing cream. I'm still sucking the life out of it. My highlighter. I can't say I don't have a lot more lipsticks. I've got lipsticks. They don't really use it. I like to use my basic nudes. All these are pencils anyway. So that's it as a makeup bag. I forgot to add the hairband. You need a hairband in your makeup, but that's it as a cosmetic. If you're like me and you have simple everyday makeup, then this is what you'd have. If you have foundation, then obviously a bottle will go in there as well, but there's still enough space for more, so no wahala, no problem. Move on to the next. So again, this goes in here, all the brushes. My pencils go in there. Because I have got a little space here, I would put this here and that here. So guys, I forgot to add my lashes. I would use this. That is because I don't always use these lashes. So I only use the stick-on lashes when I haven't done them. So currently in quarantine, I'm doing with this. So I got this from eBay. My sister sent me the link. If you're interested, I'll put the link down below. Actually, if you're interested, why don't you comment? When I see that you're interested in these lashes, it means that you've gone that far in the video, and I will actually leave a link down below. Or I'll do a giveaway. Yes, my first 1,000 subscribers, I should actually do a giveaway. That would be fantastic. So yeah, lashes will go in here, and then the glue will go on the side. I think I'll put the lashes on the side. I like, my lashes are so like dear to me. They're so important. That is the strobing cream. So I use the strobe because I don't use foundation anymore. I would actually use the strobe on my skin, and then I will add this powder, so it makes my skin look very luminous and very natural and subtle, and that's what I like. I don't like to look like I've got so much makeup on. I still want to look pretty but sassy, nice. Do you know what I mean? Yes. Mirror, highlighter. This is MAC Cheeky Bronze. That's been my favorite. Always use that, only because it has a pink undertone and it's just nice on a dark skin tone. It's amazing on a dark skin tone. So yeah, definitely. It's running out, but once it finishes, I'll buy the same thing again. That's if it's not discontinued. Got LA Girl Pro again, as I mentioned before. Eyebrow gel, sharpener, tools for my pencils, lipstick, and a hairband. Look, and it spits. You can move things about to get proper shape if you don't want to spoil this side. But here you go. That's it. All done. Welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was practical enough for you to make your decision on. I hope this was really helpful. So like before, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below on any videos that you'd like me to do. I really want to try and get my subscription up. I would like to hit 1,000, so let's make it happen. Let's try and do some more. Please, ladies, please like the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay fabulous, and see you in my next video. I'm joking. See you in my next video. So much love from me to you.